shareholders investment ratios. Investment ratios. Under this, you can compute price-earning ratio, price-earning ratio. And this is the ratio of market price to earnings. You can use total market price over total earnings. Or you have market price per shares over earning per share. That will give us price-earning ratio. The ratio of price to earning. That means you have the price in the numerator over the earning. That is. Then we also have earning per share, which is covered in IAS 33. Earning per share. That is profit attributable to equity, profit attributable to equity over number of outstanding ordinary shares in issue. To learn this further, go over my lectures on IAS 33, earning per share. Then you have earning yield. Earning yield. Earning yield is just the reciprocal of price-earning ratio. The reciprocal of price-earning ratio. If the price-earning ratio is market price per share over earning per share, or total market price over total earning, the reciprocal of it, this one will come back to the numerator, while this will come to the denominator. So that means earning yield will be earning per share over market price per share, or you use total earnings over total market price. Then dividend yield. Dividend yield. All these are shareholders' investment ratio. This is synonymous to earning yield, only that the numerator will be dividend instead of earnings. Dividend per share over market price per shares, or total dividend over total market price. Dividend yield is the returns a shareholder is currently expecting on the shares of a company. The returns a shareholder is currently expecting on the shares of the company. So we have dividend cover. Dividend cover. Dividend cover, that is number 5. Dividend cover. So which is earning per shares over dividend per share. Earning per shares over dividend per share. Then we can as well have dividend paid out ratio. Dividend paid out ratio. Please subscribe to my channel to keep up with the videos as it will be added from time to time. Dividend paid out ratio is just the reciprocal of this. So it will be dividend per shares over earning per shares. That is dividend paid out ratio. The ratios of dividend per shares over earning per shares. To be able to interpret these ratios properly, so try to watch it in the end and watch where I report on them. So that is for that. So to report on these ratios, your report, most of the examination reports is usually in form of memo, internal memo. So you start with to where it is going to from you. Can be a financial analysis or whosoever you belong, depending on the question. The wording of the question will enable you to know how to frame this. Then you can have date. The date of the report, then you have subject. The subject you are writing about. the topic, the key topic. Then you now have the introduction to the report. Introduction, then you have the bodies of the report. Body of the report. So the body of the report. Then after the body, you can have the conclusion or the summary. Conclusion, then you can have recommendation. So that is the outlines of the report. So if you watch my lecture videos on how to report on these ratios, then you'll be able to understand it better. So that is the shareholders' investment ratios.